Aaron and Mel were the proud new owners of a waterfront property, but it had an eroding bank at the edge of the lawn. They were considering installing a retaining wall to prevent the erosion, but were concerned about reducing their beach access and knew it would be costly. What they really wanted was a more natural shoreline where animals and vegetation could flourish. But they were worried about becoming more vulnerable to erosion and flooding, especially as climate change intensifies. When they mentioned this to their new neighbors, they realized it was a common concern. The neighbors had been looking into the same issues and told them about a similar property which had used a new approach called Green Shores. The owners of that property used to have a retaining wall, but erosion had been accelerating at the bottom of the wall. Rather than paying yet again for more maintenance and upgrades, they had decided to remove it and take a Green Shores design approach. In place of the wall, they added natural sand and gravel to the beach, anchored logs at the top of the beach to stabilize the added material, and built a vegetated buffer zone at the top by planting small native trees and bushes. This design provided ample flood protection during winter storms by reducing the eroding force of waves. It also restored the shoreline's natural water and sediment processes, creating habitat for shoreline plants and animals. And as a bonus, the permitting process with local and senior government went smoothly because the governments looked favorably on the Green Shores approach. Even better, the native shoreline vegetation reduced the need for fertilizers, pesticide, and watering, which improved water quality along the shore. Aaron and Mel were impressed and looked up the Green Shores for Homes program online. Reading more, they saw that this approach could be 30 to 70% less expensive to install than a retaining wall and could address up to 1 meter of sea level rise. Then they realized they could work with their neighbors to share costs and restore even more of the shoreline, and their neighbors were excited about it. So they set up a meeting with a professional who had advanced training in Green Shores. After confirming their site was appropriate for the Green Shores approach, the professional showed them how they could use the Green Shores credit and rating system as a checklist for the design process. She explained that the rating system prioritized the restoration of shoreline processes and habitat, so an independent reviewer could count a lot of credits toward a Green Shores award certificate if they used a soft shore design with natural sand and gravel as well as native vegetation. She also explained that the homeowners might need approval from multiple levels of government, but that she could help. By the end of the meeting, they had settled on a general design approach, and the price quote confirmed that it would be a cost-effective way to protect their shorelines and enhance their property values. Even better, it would give them the natural shoreline view they really wanted. The meeting helped everyone agree that this was the right approach for them, so they decided to enroll in the Green Shores program and contract the Green Shores professional to make it happen. With the professional coordinating the work and helping them through the government permitting process, their new Green Shore design came together perfectly. Now, a year later, Aaron and Mel have the natural shoreline view they always wanted and feel safe knowing their Green Shore will protect them from flooding and erosion, even in a changing climate. Are you a shoreline landowner or shoreline design professional? Visit greenshores.ca to learn more about Green Shores design, credit and rating systems, and professional training.